This video we will learn that about the tips number 18, that is specify desired format. So which format you want your response. So of course there are lots of format in the industry. So which format you want? It might be Excel format, it might be any CSV format, it might be any code format, it might be any question and answer format, like customer. Suppose you are a customer and another one is some agent, so customer and agent, like this. So what kind of format you are expecting your answer to be? So that you need to mention that format, so you need to specify that format, so it will be easy to understand. Suppose I want a format where the author name will be there and the right side the name will be there, the famous quote. Okay, so I want that format, so I need to mention it so that ChatGPT can generate lots of on the same format. It will produce another response. Okay, same for the Excel format, same for the CSV format, same for the coding format. So you need to specify those format. Or might be any checklist, might be any other format also exist. So okay, we will check in our example how we can use format. So the first thing is write and report. Suppose you are asking ChatGPT, then write a report for me. So it's very general question you are asking, is a very broad question you are asking to ChatGPT. So instead of that, what you can do is you can write, you can tell ChatGPT write a structured report. Okay, so it will be organized, this will be more structured. So write a structured report on the economic impact of COVID-19. So my subject, definitely you need to mention your subject, your topic, your industry. You need to mention on which topic you want to get the idea, get the information. So you need to mention, it is the mandatory things. So write a structured report. This is my keyword. My keyword is structured report. So ChatGPT, you please provide a structured report for me. And now the topic is economic impact of COVID-19. Now you are asking ChatGPT that you are providing additional information also, include an executive summary, data analysis and conclusion. So additionally, what you want executive summary, you want data analysis, you want, and the conclusion also you want. So additional information you are providing. Okay, so here your desired format is structured report. So all the elements should be there. It should be a structured report. Okay, now the second thing, second information, second example, create a list. You are asking ChatGPT for anything, create a list on this topic or on this subject, you can explain. Okay, now that is not a good prompt. So what would be the good prompt? It will be create a checklist. So you are I need a format in the form of checklist only. So create a checklist for starting a new business, covering legal, financial and marketing aspects. Aspects. Okay, so I want ChatGPT to generate a content, generate a report type, or any summary type something. So it should be in a checklist format. The checkbox will be there, so that I can take it and I can plan accordingly. And now my topic is my journey is starting a new business. So you are going to, when I am going to be, or you are going to start a business, so ChatGPT will provide a checklist. Checklist means do this thing, you will take it, do that thing, you will take it. So like that way you will grow. So your industry is your business and you want the format that is in checklist format. And there what things are you want to be covered, that is covering legal things, financial things and marketing aspects. So based on this topic, legal topic, financial topic and marketing aspects topic, it will provide few checklist. You need to work accordingly, you need to grow accordingly. Okay, so here your format is checklist. Okay, again the third example is write an analysis. So any kind of analysis if you want, so you can ask ChatGPT, I want an analysis, write an analysis for me on this topic. So it will provide a generic answer, it will provide a random answer, informative answer it will provide. But if you want to get some specific answer, what you need to do, you need to write a SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is strengths, weakness, opportunities and threats. for in any business. It is very important formula. Write a SWOT analysis: strengths, weakness, opportunity, threats for a tech startup entering the AI market. So here you are giving a format. You need to mention strengths first, weakness second, opportunities third, threats fourth. You need to keep in mind that formula, that template, that format. You need to keep in mind, and accordingly you can create my content. Okay, my subject is for a tech startup company. It's going to enter the AI market, going to enter in the AI market. So that is my subject, that is my topic. But here my format is, my template is SWOT. Okay, so okay, let's go for the, I think it's pretty much clear, the concept is pretty much clear. Again, you can, any other format you can use. You can use Excel format. You can say give me a report in Excel format, give me that report in CSV format, give me a code, it's a Python code format, so it will provide. Okay, so the format, whatever you will ask or whatever you will provide to ChatGPT, your response will be delivered on inside that format only. Okay, so let me write a report. Let me create a new page. So here I will mention write a report, so it will provide a generic answer for me. Sure, I would be happy to help with that. Could you please provide more details about the report? For example, what is the topic, the intent audience, and any specific information for or format you need? Okay, so I did not provide enough information, that's why it could not generate the desired provide any action. So now I will ask, write a structured report on the economic impact of COVID-19, include an executive summary, data analysis and conclusions. Now see, it will be a more professional and structured report it will provide. Executive summary, as I asked, that certainly the economic impact of COVID-19, comprehensive analysis. Okay, so executive summary, introduction, data analysis, as I requested, data analysis like global GDP impact, then labor market effects, consumer behavior it has impacted, government and fiscal responses, industry specific impacts, conclusions, all those things, key takeaways and all the detailed information, recommendation also it has given. So all the detailed information it has given. Okay, the comprehensive analysis, everything based on my requirement. Executive summary, data analysis and conclusion. Executive summary, data analysis and conclusion. I wanted to have 3 points to be covered, so it is covered everything, and detailed information it has provided. Okay, so again let me go to the another so I'm not writing this. Okay, let me write create a list. Suppose you are asking create a list. Again, it may ask that what kind of list you would like to have. Of course, what kind of list would you like? For example, it could be, so it's generating actually, but that is not the good prompt. So I will write a good prompt here. Checklist, create a checklist for starting a new business. Okay, so my create a checklist for starting a new business covering all those things. So see, step by step it will provide me all the details what I need to have. Say the legal aspect, checklist for starting a new business. Okay, legal aspects, business idea and plan, business structure, permits and licenses, then tax identification number, then contract and agreements, intellectual property, insurance, compliance. Now it's coming to financial aspects. So previously it was legal aspects, now the financial aspects I wanted to know. So those things it is ChatGPT covered. Marketing aspects, brand identity, market research, marketing strategy, online presence, advertising and promotions, customer engagement, sales strategy. So all these things it has covered. Okay, so now I think you have got pretty clear idea about why it is important to use a format, which format you want. That is very important. I have given only 3 examples. You can create more examples based on your industry, based on your topics. So any format, the whatever format you want to you like, share that format with ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT that I need the response within this format only. So you will provide the response. So it will do it. It will provide the response accordingly. Okay, it might be any format, like as I told earlier, that it might be Excel format, might be CSV format, might be in code format, might be the checklist format, might be structured format, might be in paragraph format, might be in a bullet format. So numbering format 1 2 3 4, like this, like step by step, all these things. So I think it's pretty clear to you. Again, I would request you to practice, create your own example, copy the template, paste it, and then replace your content, and then practice it. So I am sure you will get you will find your find a better version of your prompt. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.